Hi there, Nathalie with you today with this month's unboxing video for the Life Crafted Possibilities Kit. This is the February kit for Citrus Twist Kits. And I want to show you how beautiful this kit is. So let me just put aside a little bit. You're always going to get your invitation, your little welcoming card. And it says, she's a dreamer, a doer, a thinker. She sees possibilities everywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna just open it up so you're gonna see it. I already picked it inside, and I'm gonna tell you it's beautiful. So as always, let's start with the paper so you just see the rainbow of possibilities it shows. So you're gonna have a collage paper. It pretty much has all the papers and what the kit includes this month. Then you have a beautiful mint chevron, say like a nice wallpaper print. You're always gonna have a floral, and this floral is beautiful. You're also gonna have a ledger, very good ledger by the way, a wood grain, which always comes in handy as a neutral. Love the paper, this beautiful print. You also have this little looks like plus signs on a yellow background, set of hearts. This teal paper has a little bit of distress, some cross hatching, beautiful paper. Stripe paper in yellow, another floral in mint. You're gonna see a beautiful palette, and another little rhomboids on yellow, kind of tone on tone. Beautiful neutrals, lots of different pops of color. So at the same time you get our 3x8 card, and this super easy to document. Just gonna pop your picture in it, and the back again a collage. Love the teal, and it matches this. So it's gonna prop it there for you guys to see. You're gonna get the sheet of labels that coordinate with the colors of the palette of this month. Then you get two 4x6 cards. Again, easy to document, already done for you. Love the palette. And there's this palm on the other side. And then you have this happiness, and on the other side the floral, but in a different palette. So those are the 4x6 cards. Now the 3x4 cards you have, again, they come included in the kit. You have this one, perfect to add your lists and keeping it real. You have a sunburst, which is something that repeats throughout the entire kit. Journaling spots. You have your floral, that easy to just pop your pictures, add your journal, ditch your comfort zone. And this is the good stuff. Again, just keeping up. Love this card. Love, beauty in all things. Perfect to document you every day. There's a lot of photorealism pictures in this collection too. Lost in this moment, and I love it. If you have a boy in life, then you know this comes in handy. Look around you already. Look around you already have the magic you are looking for. Oh my god, this is so perfect. And it's in black. There's accents of black, which is amazing. Again, perfect journal spots. The floral print. Take nothing for granted, I think. And delight in the details of life. So these are the 3x4 cards for the month. Now, as always, you're gonna get this time you're gonna get some white puffy stickers, just as part of your embellishments. You're gonna get a set of puffy hearts and circles, and there's some stars too. The same in the palette that we're gonna be using this month. There's a set of chipboards with things like your magical, just say yes. There's a cupcake, this is my passion. Simple, so beautiful to actually embellish. And then of course you're gonna get a pack of ephemera. Already opened it, and this pack of ephemera, Caitlin did an amazing job with it. So the more you look, the more you see. As always, there's labels, there's frames, little banners, there's a floral, there's this sweet little bird, which I am loving. It's also the one that comes in the welcoming card. Lots of possibilities in the ephemera. Like I said, photorealism. Love the tickets. More florals. Love the sun. There's lots of stuff that you can do with this ephemera. Actually, I got two birds. Yay! So, oh, I love the word magic. I love the fact that there's pops of purple, there's pops of black, which makes it very I'm gonna say not only magical but very versatile. It matches a lot of things. So I'm gonna just spread it a little bit so you can see what comes included. The bird has my heart at the moment. There is magic in you. So since you can see that there is quite a bit of variety on the ephemera, and there's the possibilities are endless. Oh, nice tickets. And of course you're gonna get your this month's stamp set. There's words like magic, enjoying, highlight, wake up, beauty, it's time to beast. Oh, I love that, especially when you have 2 teenagers at home. Disappointed, as always, super handy to add titles, to add sentiments, and all your embellishments, and also your type of formatting of documenting. As always, Trina adds little touches. I got some little chipboards to add. Now, what our subscribers also will be receiving is our pages of cut apart elements, and there's labels, there's little journaling spots that you can add. You can enlarge them to fit your 2x2 inserts, which are available at the shop. Again, the bird motif, photorealism, so this actually matches the entire kit, and you get it for free if you're a subscriber. But it's also available to shop, to purchase if you're not a subscriber, so it's a great complement to the kit. And you also get, if you're a subscriber, a bonus 3x4 project life cards, or pocket cards in this case. Things that I love, the Stay Wild, lovely one, good things are happening. Again, the same palette that we're be using this entire month. Again, this is part of one of the perks of being a subscriber, and only subscribers get this actually. And also you're gonna get a set of CAD files that again, a perk of being a subscriber, and then you have access to all our channel and everything that the design team will be creating. Now, there's a few extras also coming to the shop this month. I don't have all of them, but one of them is the Traveler's Notebook stamp set, and there's words like this story, down with this, favorite, documented. Always good to add to sentiments, to help you build titles, to stamp on backgrounds. So this stamp is always a great one. And then this month's This is Life stamp set is one that is amazing. First of all, you get an example sheet at the back of things that you can do with the stamp, and this is very versatile. It helps you create backgrounds, gives you ideas on how to use it. But there's this sunburst, there's some this little line here is like a horizon, but you can create it into water. You can actually add your titles on it. There's always a nice butterfly, there's some stars, the good vibes, awesome, palm trees, flowers, ocean, stars, finding paradise wherever I go. So perfect to document anything in reality. And this is pretty much all that's coming to the shop this month. There's also an add-on that you can find on the shop, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope you look for it. Remember, you can check everything here plus the new insert and albums at Citrus Twist Kit shop. Cannot wait to see what you create. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye bye, guys.